Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're dreaming of pursuing a PhD in one of the most beautiful cities in the world, Venice, Italy, then this video is for you. Today, I'll walk you through the complete process of applying to Foscari University of Venice for the 2025-26 PhD cycle. Foscari is one of Italy's top public universities, offering high-quality PhD programs in fields like economics, science and technology, humanities, and environmental studies. Most programs are fully funded, and the university welcomes international students with open arms. First of all, we check available PhD programs. Step 1. Go to the official Foscari PhD website, www.uni.it/phd. You'll find a list of PhD programs offered for the annual 2025-26 cycle, including detailed descriptions, number of positions, and research topics. For the sake of ease, I will put the link in description. Important point to note that is application timeline. Applications close on Wednesday, May 7th, 2025 at 1 p.m. Italian time. So make sure to mark your calendar and check the website frequently. Next step is to choose a research topic. Before applying, it's smart to go through the PhD call and identify your research interests. Some programs let you choose a research topic or supervisor in advance. Others may assign topics later. Either way, read the call carefully. In the call, you will find 93 different research positions. Choose the one which is more related and matched with your background. Now, let's talk about the documents you'll need for your online application. In this application process, you need the curriculum vitae, preferably in the Europass European format, research proposal. Information on how to draft a proposal is available in the end of this PhD call. Academic transcripts, degree certificates, motivation letter, optional. Reference letters, maximum 2 letters of reference from university professors. Copy of your passport. Optional documents like language certificates or publications can strengthen your application. Next step is to register on the online portal. I will paste the portal link in the description. You just have to put your personal data, identity card details, permanent address, contact information, and then reconfirm the provided data. With this, you will activate your account by getting your username and password. You must fill in and save the online application through the link provided for the specific PhD program you are applying to. To participate in the selection process, a non-refundable payment of €15 must be made. When the application is successfully saved, you will receive a confirmation email with a univocal application code. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your PhD journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos on PhD applications, scholarships, and study abroad tips.